Welcome to the tutorial series for the Reloop Buddy, your powerful mixing companion. We're here to guide you through the simple setup, the amazing features, and how to start performing with your favorite music in no time. Inside the box you'll find everything you need: your Reloop Buddy user manual, a USB cable to connect your computer or a power supply, an RCA cable to connect your speakers, and of course your compact Reloop Buddy DJ controller. The last thing you'll need is Algoriddim's DJ software, which is free to download to your device or computer by using the App Store or Google Play Store. To DJ with a smart device, first connect the supplied USB cable to the USB interface port of your Reloop Buddy and power the unit via a USB mains plug or battery power pack. Then connect your smart device to the iOS port and set the selector switch to iOS. Your smart device can be housed conveniently in the docking slot of your Reloop Buddy. To DJ with the computer, connect it to your Reloop Buddy using the supplied USB cable, which will also power the unit, and be sure to set the selector switch to PC. To save space, the Reloop Buddy can even be mounted conveniently on a laptop surface without interfering with the keyboard below. And finally, to play your music out loud, connect some speakers using the supplied RCA cable to your Reloop Buddy via the master out ports. The master volume can also be adjusted here. So, with your Reloop Buddy powered on, connected to speakers and your device, simply launch the Algoriddim DJ app and get ready to start DJing.